Okay guys, so today I am going to explain you an HTML code which I am using a video and audio tag. So if I output for now, so it would be like, and if I play this video so you go watching,
Okay,
there's
so
also
Python and
and also
JavaScript
a
are the
video
two
where
of the
I can
most.
do the other controls like mute it and change the audio and full screen and download and playback speed and picture pictures. So there
Popular
are
program
too much controls
but they
over
serve
here.
different purposes.
So there are too much controls over here. And I can
Okay, so Python and
also play this video and I can also change the things over here, but there's another option over here which is in picture, but there's no over here because there's no picture inside it. So that's how their video and audio tag works. So I can also change its width and the height of it. So if I change it to 800 and the height should be 600, and over here I can keep it the same. It should be no. And now you're watching it's showing it that it's bigger. So let me remove some height should be 500. And now if I open my back page, so it's showing like this. Now you're watching, I can play it.
okay, so Python.
And now the controls are same, but the video is bigger. So, 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 now, if I remove this controls over here and the controls over here, now if I open my web page, so watching, it's showing no control and it's not even showing audio over here. Or there's no control over here. And now if I write autoplay over here, so now
Okay, so Python.
it's it would be autoplay. So it will load. Why isn't it autoplay? Autoplay.
Okay, so
It's
Python and
automatically
JavaScript
saying that I
are the two of
can't
the most
pause it.
popular programming languages.
And I
But they
can
serve different purposes and have distinct characteristics. In this video, we're gonna have a
now you're watching, it's not even it's not, I can't pause or mute or change the audio.
Okay, so
You're watching
Python
the
and
audio playing, but I
JavaScript
can't
are the two
play
of the most popular programming
and
languages.
I can also
But they serve different
there's another,
purposes and have this.
there's another keyword which is loop, and it loops the video again and again. And I can, there are too much of this like width and height and other attributes. So source is the attribute where I give its path. The now for now it's in my folder. So that's why it's it's running it right. Or else you would have to give full path of it like 1231 and inside this folder and go inside it. So it's now inside this folder. That's why I can use it directly. So this is all for today. There's also an image tag which works the same. I can even use it for image. Okay, it's not working. I don't know why. It's not showing it. So keep practicing and keep learning, and we will meet in the next video.